A warm welcome to one and all to the YouTube channel of LearnerStar. So in these set of videos, we will be sharing updates related to Central University admissions. So in this video, we are sharing our update about the admission portal of CU Rajasthan. So CU Rajasthan have recently opened their admission portal and integrated MSc students or MA students or MSc students can apply through their admission portal. So in the admission portal, the username would be your CUCT application ID and the password would be your date of birth. Okay. So the admission portal link is curaj.erp.in bar curaj counseling. So actually you will need to select an option from these three. So if you are a student, you should click on the student button, and once you click on the student button, you will be redirected to another website wherein you will need to log in using your CUCT application ID and your date of birth. So this is the initial step. Then you will be needing to fill your basic details, then your marks, then your preference of courses, etc. And so the admission portal will be open till 3rd of November, and the first and the university will be publishing the list of registered candidates on the date 9th November. Okay, and one distincting factor that is different from other universities is that in CU Rajasthan, you will be needing to pay the fees initially. So if you are planning to apply for integrated MSc course, you will be needing to pay an amount of rupees 10,410, whereas other universities doesn't require the fees to be paid initially. So CU Rajasthan requires the students to pay initially the amount. So integrated MSc students, almost everyone needs to pay a sum of rupees 10,410, whereas M architect students need to pay 20,410. Then MSc computer science students needs to pay 27,060. So only in this university, the students needs to pay the total amount initially, and if admission is not guaranteed for you, they will be depositing the money back to you after a while. Okay, so this is about the fee structures. And then the list of, so the first list will be releasing on 12th of November. So only on 12th of November, the first list of CU Rajasthan will be updated. And so even it is similar for PG courses, but in PG courses, the first list will be updated on 13th of November, whereas for integrated MSc students, the first list will be updated on 12th of November. Okay. And there are a list of documents to be uploaded at the time of registration. So it includes, like, you will be needing to upload scanned digital copy of the documents. So it includes your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, then graduation mark sheet. So if you don't have a graduation mark sheet, you could also apply using your provisional mark sheet and a graduation degree certificate, then a certificate having valid date of birth, then conduct certificate, migration certificate, transfer certificate. And if you avail any kind of reservation related to caste, so if you are an OBC candidate, you should submit OBC non-creamy layer certificate. Or if you are an SC candidate or ST candidate, you will be needing to submit the caste certificate and PWD certificate, then documents related to Jammu and Kashmir domicile, and medical certificate will be required. So medical certificate, the format is given in the portal itself. You need to print it and get it attested by a government medical officer. So you could visit any hospital and get attested by them, and that is about it. So some of the instructions are, Only through the admission portal, official admission portal, the admissions will be happening. So curaj.ac.in bar admissions is the official portal ID, and that's it. Then a candidate can select maximum of 3 preferences. So you can apply for 3 courses in CU Rajasthan, whereas some other universities doesn't have a limit, but in CU Rajasthan there is a limit of 3 courses, and all the candidates will be required to pay a non-refundable fee of ₹1,000 plus transaction charges. So in CU Haryana, it was 300 rupees, whereas in CU Rajasthan, it is 1,000 rupees for the portal registration. Whereas in other universities such as CU Rajasthan, CU Karnataka, CU Tamil Nadu, there is no fee for applying in the portal. Whereas in CU Rajasthan, there is a fees of ₹1,000, and all the candidates should ensure their eligibility for the program, and that's it. And seat allotment process would be like, at the time of registration, candidates need to update all the details regarding personal details, academic details, contact number, and all the documents related to the details. Then after the student registers and uploads all the documents, then the respective department will verify the documents, and if the university finds that any of the document is fabricated or anything is false, the university have the right to cancel your admission. And also CU Rajasthan is saying that the candidates needs to satisfy the minimum eligibility criteria, and only if it is satisfied, they will be considering you for the admission. And if all the documents are found to be true, they will ask you to pay the academic fee. And academic fee I mentioned earlier, for integrated MSc students it comes around 10,000 rupees, and MArch student it comes around 20,000. And then as mentioned, you can apply for 3 courses, and if you stand in merit list of 3 courses, you will be needing to choose either one of them, and then your name will be deleted from the other list. Only you could choose one if your name is coming in 3 rank list. Okay. Then once the locking of the seats is done, then the provisional admission offer letter will be sent to you, and you could join in the university. And after the confirmation of admission, the students can apply online for hostel facility. And mere admission doesn't guarantee you that you will be getting seat in, like you will be getting a hostel seat. That's also provisional. And if you want to withdraw your seat, you could also withdraw your seat by sending an email to the respective HOD. So that's it about it. Then last date of accepting documents is, if you don't have any of the documents, you could use the undertaking form, and the last date to submit the documents is 31 December. You should submit all your documents by 31st of December. And if you have any kind of queries, you should contact the admission committee and individual department contact numbers. Also, this is the common help desk, which is phone number is 7014-588-311 and 8955-143-185. And the email ID is admission2021@curaj.ac.in. And that's all about it. Then this is the fee structure. So if you want to check the fee structure, you could pause the video and check the fee structure. Also, it is updated in the admission portal of CU Rajasthan, and this is the format for undertaking form. If you don't have any of the documents required, you could list the documents and then sign it, and you could upload a scanned copy of it. And you also need to have a medical certificate, medical fitness certificate to be uploaded in the portal. So what you need to do is you need to print this form, get it attested by an medical officer, and then upload it to the portal. So that's about it. And if you have any doubts regarding CUCT or CU Rajasthan, do contact us via the Google form attached in the description box. Also, you should contact via email to CU Rajasthan. If you have any doubts, you could find the email ID of the HODs in this PDF. You could also check that. And the eligibility criteria is for bachelor courses, it is +2, 10+2. And for master's courses, there will be a differing eligibility criteria. And you could also check these documents, for which the link will be updated in the description box. So if you have any kind of queries, feel free to ask us in the Google form link shared in the description. We'll be sharing updates related to it. And do subscribe to this channel if you are new to the channel. We'll be sharing updates related to CUCT. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.